Hey, I have a question for you. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting someone to knock the door? You waiting someone to drag you out, to push you, or to show you how to reach there? What are you waiting that you are not fulfilling your dreams? Why you are stuck at the point and you cannot achieve your dreams? What is going on? You need a permission? You need someone to drag you out? Or what you need? Hi, this is Mariana, the Soul Healer. Welcome back with the Soul Healer. All we have dreams. Do we achieve them or no? Sometimes we set up goals and we don't really fulfill them. I will give you a small example just to understand how these things works. Friend of mine 2 months ago, she bought a dress. She liked it so much. We entered the shop. She was asking it was the last piece, and of course the dress was 2 sizes smaller than her size. So she said, I will buy it. I said, how do you buy the dress when you'll not fit in it? She said, no, that will be a good agreement that I will start a diet and very soon I will fit in this dress. I was really surprised and impressed. I said, wow, that's very good. Go for it. But what do you think? A few days back, I just met her, and of course, by looking, I knew she didn't start any diet, but just asking to see what's inside, what's going on in her life. I asked, hey, what's going on with the dress? Are you wearing it? You started, or what's going on? She was very disappointed, answering me and said, no. Okay, what's going on? She said, well, I think it's really difficult. So I told her, listen, nothing is easy, but nothing is difficult, and nothing is impossible when you really want something. The same, I hear people, I have dreams and I cannot achieve them. Yes, you can. I tell you, it's true. Technically, it's easy. But when you start to work the process, it's not easy. But when you want, it's not impossible. That's my thing. It's not impossible. You know, you don't need a permission to write a book. You don't need a permission to change your job. You don't need a permission to go and watch a movie. You don't need a permission to reach your dreams, to fulfill your dreams. You don't need all this. But don't think someone will knock the door and say, hey, come out. I show you how to make it. Hey, come out. Let's start today. If you don't set a goal with you, a promise, an agreement with you, from tomorrow I will start, and write the steps down. Maybe you need information, or always I'm telling people, you know, look at those. They are already in the position where you want to reach, on the place where you want to reach, and try to collect information, what they did. Maybe you need some extra information to know how it will be easier for you to reach and fill up your dreams. This is very important. But by thinking, and I know many people reading books, and they think if they read a book overnight they will become, I don't know. I know people, they read the Secret, or how to become rich overnight, or how to make easy money staying at home, and all this. Yes, it is possible. But let me tell you, not by reading the book and sitting in bed and watching TV, you'll become famous overnight or you become rich. What it says in the book, it's just a clue how you can work out and gives you, the gut to move out. But you have to move your butt out to do something. Come on, let's be honest. You can't be just reading a book, sitting there, and oh, you'll become rich overnight. The main point is move your butt out. You want to fulfill your dreams, you want to achieve your dreams, do something. It's very simple. Not by sitting there and, oh, I read this book, I will be rich overnight. Well, if it works, let me know, but doesn't work, be sure. So what you have to do to reach your dreams or to achieve your goals, you have to move out. Move out and don't be afraid. It's true. Sometimes you'll reach bumps, you'll reach moments where you say, oh, it's so difficult. Yes, it is difficult. But it's not impossible. That's what you have to understand, and always keep in your head. It's not impossible. It's not impossible. Okay, this door is closed. Go to the next door. I don't have enough information here. Okay, go collect the information. So move your butt out. Once you do all this, I'm telling you, you can achieve your goals. So stop blaming or complaining, I can't fulfill up my dreams. Yes, you can. If you move yourself out and you start the process, you'll reach your dreams. And let me tell you, many people I work with, they were the same disappointed. I remember a boy once said, I'm going for an interview, and 3 interviews and nobody took me. I told him, because you're not sure exactly what you want. Once you are sure what you want, you go for the proper interview, you are prepared, you build already your information inside, you know, and when you go for an interview, you're ready to shut down everyone and you'll get the job. The same with you. You want to fill up your dreams, go for it. But by sitting at home and just reading books or thinking, I don't know what I can do and I will reach my dreams, no. The books will help you to give you an idea and encourage you and boost you know, your inner, that you can reach there. But doesn't make you rich overnight. So you have to move yourself. So kick yourself out, go for it, and you'll reach your dreams. If you like it, please don't forget to share this video, and if you appreciate my work, press the subscribe button. Till my next video, don't forget, love you, hug you with my soul. Oops, I forgot something. I really appreciate, guys. Thank you. First, thank you for watching my video. Second, I would really appreciate if you can leave your comments down the bar. Any comments, no matter how. I really appreciate. It's very important for me. If I can do any changes, or you have an idea about, you want me to make a video about, you have, I don't know, question, or you are stuck in some problems, leave your comments down and we'll figure it out how we can work. Thank you. See you next time.